Reality check, man. From a year device, you know. You know, say aromatic realistic TV, don't? Anyway, I want to point out one thing here, you know. And show us that the Jamaican justice system and the government system down there are fraud. That's what I mean, a fraud. Because me and you, you know, as citizens of Jamaica, what they does, you know, or what they do is put law in place that if we should do something wrong to prosecute us. Saying, I said, me and you, as citizens of Jamaica, what they do is put laws in place so if we do something wrong to prosecute us. But at the same time, you know, seeing the government of Jamaica implement rules and laws to protect the politicians when they do something wrong. Remember the politician, you know, they are the problem, you know. And the problem is what? Corruption. When you say corruption, you're talking about the politician, bro. That's what I mean? And you implement rules to prosecute me. And when these culprits violate the oath of office, the system protect them. And then you are telling me that the justice system is real. The justice system is fake. You know, see it? The justice system is fake. I repeat. I said you and me, citizen of Jamaica, if we step out of our character and did something that we should not have done, the system will discipline us, or the system will prosecute us. While on the other hand, the politicians, whenever they do nothing wrong, the same system implement another rule to protect them. And we know what springs from politician, corruption. And we all know that corruption is Jamaica's biggest downfall right now. And who is behind most of this corruption is the politician. But the system put a rules in place to protect them when they step out of line and abuse the country. And then you are telling me that the justice system is fair and government system really work. No, brother. But anyway, that is my opinion. You see what I mean? Tell me what is your opinion. Comment down below and tell me what is your opinion or what you think. Yeah, man, I'm out.